And today we are here with a unboxing video. AJ, want to show your friends what you have?
Yeah.
What is that?
An airplane.
Okay, can we see the box?
And there's like the flies. You see the back? That's the airplane part.
Scoot back, hold it right here. Up, put it down a little bit.
That's
Yeah. Hand launch. So you're gonna be doing this. You're gonna be throwing the airplane by your hand, just like how we did with the paper airplanes. Can you turn the box around so we can see? Let me see. And there you go.
Now look, it says.
Put it down a little bit, just a little bit. That's too. There you go. So it says easy to install, to assemble, 2 fly modes. So, are you ready to open it?
Yeah. Airplanes.
What parts of the airplanes do you see?
I see orange, blue, and orange, and orange. And maybe how to put them apart together.
What's the tail of the airplane? Where's the wing of the airplane?
Look, there's no wings on it.
So what do you think we have to do?
We put them on. I think it's too.
You put that one right there. Do you think it's too big or too small?
I think small.
Too small.
Big.
Okay, you think it fits in there?
Think so. Too big.
Oh, no, keep pushing. It look like it's made from styrofoam. Like hard styrofoam.
Look. And there's some
So, this is the blue. Can I see the orange?
They're bigger.
How can we put them together? This is the part right here.
Right there?
Yeah, for it to sling.
We need to put it apart together.
This is the orange. Okay, so we need to figure out how we're gonna do it. So you said one was bigger and one was smaller?
Yeah.
Can I see the big one? Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller?
Big.
Okay, and which one is the small? Okay, so looking at the picture over here, where do you think the big one goes? You think it goes in the front, that front one right there? You don't know what?
Yeah.
How can we put it in the hose?
Because we gotta hang them first on the bottom.
That is for when we are doing with our hands, AJ. Not yet, okay? Look like it's a little slingshot.
Hey, this is the one red. That's the orange. The orange match the wings. See this? It match.
Okay, so. Okay, you're gonna do it by your hand? You don't wanna do it with a slingshot? No slingshot? Okay. Keep going. You gotta put it right in the middle. You see where this one is at? You gotta put the plane right there. Go, AJ, go. Okay, now move the bottom just a little bit, the bottom of the wing. Push it.
This one is orange.
Do you think you have the wing on properly? Look how the wing is facing. Do you think the wing is supposed to be facing like that? You gotta flip the wing over. What? You know what? Go ahead, put the wing like that so we can see which one flies better.
Like this.
Let's see if the aerodynamics will be different. Okay, I noticed that's something that AJ did, but I'm not gonna be saying it. I'm just gonna be putting it on the screen so he won't know, and let's see if that would change the aerodynamics of it.
You be blue, okay? I be orange. I be orange and you be blue. Okay? You be blue and I be orange. Okay?
Okay,
Okay.
got it?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready to take it outside?
We gotta hang it first.
Yeah, we can do that outside.
Outside.
Mm-hmm.
This goes on blue. And this goes on orange. Here. You get this. I get this. Okay?
Let's go. All right. Okay, come, yep. You gotta do it harder. Oh, wow. Okay, so AJ, when you threw the airplane and the airplane was going against the wind, that is called thrust. That's called thrust. Okay? And when the airplane stays in the air, that's called
Lift.
lift. Okay, and what makes the airplane slow down? What makes the airplane stop? Yeah, the tail. The tail makes the airplane slow down, and that's called
Wow.
drag. Good job. Okay, let me see the thrust again. Whoa! That was nice. That was really nice, AJ. Yeah. Okay, come on. Okay. Whoa! Do it again. All right. Thank you for watching.
Sorry.
It's okay.